Hey guys, I wanted to get on here today and share this information with you that you have heard before by your relative, your neighbor, your friend, but I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to share today 9 common car dealer myths. Now, these are things that you have heard by someone else, and these are things that you think that are true, but they're not. The first one is the end of the month is the best time to buy or lease a vehicle. Now, you will never know after I finish with this question whether we have made our quota or not. So the best time is only at the end of the month if the dealership has not made their quota. But let me just say this. The last year, General Motors, because I work for a Chevy dealership, General Motors has not made a quota for their dealership is because of COVID-19. But when there was quotas with how many cars that we needed to sell, end of the month was very, very important, because what happens is dealers, salespeople, or anybody that works at a dealer, we usually wait until the last 2 weeks of the month to push. So that was an important time to actually get a great deal, because we're trying to get our last minute numbers. We're trying to supersede the goals from last year or the quota from the year before. So the end of the month was the best time. We were doing stupid things to get people in vehicles. Since now there is not a quota, so to say, we might not lose that much money on a car deal. My philosophy is you'll never know that we need to sell this many cars in order to go to the next level or get this certain amount of money from the factory. Those are just not things that we share with you. Why do we need to get there and what we're going to get? What we will share with you is that, yeah, we need to sell 20 more cars. We need to sell 25 more cars. But we're not going to tell you what we're going to get. The end of the month is important, right? It's important. But right now, it's not as that important. Then you need to revisit that of thinking about the end of the month, because the end of the month is very important in the car business. But right now they have more quotas on CSI, customer satisfaction survey, customer being happy, completely satisfied. They're putting more stress on that because we have less cars and they want you to be happy. Second common car dealer myth is financing is cheaper outside the dealership. Well, not always. I always say, you know what, the credit union is the key. The credit union may give you a better rate. In all cases, not some, but in all cases, you need to see what the dealership is offering for incentivized rates. What kind of programs do they have? General Motors might be offering 0% financing on a vehicle. If you were offered 4% at your credit union, your loan amount is $30,000 and your interest rate is 5%. The dealership's offering on that $30,000 loan 0% financing for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years. You do the math. Who's going to have the better payment on that particular loan? Number 3 is don't tell the dealer about your trade. Your trade number is not going to change whether you tell the dealer in the beginning when you start negotiating and talking about what you want or talking about the vehicle, or at the end, because you're going to get the same number. Number 4 is dealers never lose money on a trade. That's a myth. That's what you think. You think that dealers never lose money on a trade. That car, say it's January, February 2021, and the dealership still has a few 20s on the lot. It's been at the dealership 360 days plus. That means that the car probably has rot, the car might have been hit, or the paint might be chipped. All these little things can be wrong with the vehicle. So which means that we're paying interest on that particular car that's been sitting there. So it's costing the dealership more to keep that car on the lot versus trying to get rid of it. The dealership is gonna throw incentives to the salesperson to get rid of that particular vehicle. Number 5, going through the internet manager is always cheaper. That's a myth. Or an internet salesperson is on commission too. They're sales people. They have to make money too. In today's world, we think that when you're in internet sales or anything with internet in the beginning, you think that you're gonna get a better OTD, which is out the door price. The salesperson can give you the same price that they're gonna give you. So don't get it twisted. The only thing that I can tell you, and I'm giving you another nugget, if you're going to a dealership and you're looking to buy or lease a vehicle, look at the dealership's website and see what kind of deals and steals we're offering. So if you're looking at internet to internet, or let me just say it, if you're looking at Equinox to Equinox, that's when you qualify for that extra $500 rebate. Another myth, number 6, paying cash. Well, paying cash saves you money. Not always true. It's because that particular lender may offer 0% financing. Honestly, we don't care whether you pay cash or you finance. Number 7, buying on a rainy day. That doesn't even make sense. Buying on a rainy day. Snowing outside. It could be 0 below. So that's definitely a myth. It doesn't matter. We don't care what the sun, how it is outside. It does not matter. Number 8, just wait till the last minute to post stock vehicle of that particular car, which means stock vehicle is a picture of a car that's not really the car. You find a car on the website, whether it's new or used. If it's a used vehicle and we don't have a picture of that particular vehicle, and we know that it's coming in on trade, we're gonna step ahead of ourselves and we're gonna post a stock picture, a picture that we found on the internet, and we post it. It's not the exact vehicle that the person has traded in, which means we took a real nice picture of that particular vehicle. We actually post vehicles that are in transit on the way to the dealership to the website. Number 9 of common car dealer myths is salespeople are liars. That's a customer car buyer's myth. Salespeople build relationships. Myself, I built the relationship. I am in the problem-solving business. It's all about building relationships. My word is my bond. I help you purchase the second major purchase that you're gonna make in your life. One usually is a house, and the next one's a car. But usually people purchase a car first before they buy a house. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.